In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access OneDrive files from Microsoft Teams. Accessing your OneDrive files directly from Teams is a super convenient way to streamline your workflow. It allows you to quickly share, collaborate, and manage documents right from the platform you're already using to communicate with your team. First, make sure you're logged into Microsoft Teams with the account linked to your OneDrive. Once you have ensured you're in the correct account, head over to the Teams tab, which is usually located on the left-hand side of your Teams app interface. This area serves as your main hub for all team-related activities and is where you'll interact with your team's shared workspace. Now, look for the Files tab at the top of your Teams window. This tab is essential as it gathers all your file management needs in one place. After selecting it, you'll see various sections, including Recent, Microsoft Teams, and OneDrive. The section of interest today is OneDrive, so go ahead and click on that. Upon clicking, you'll be introduced to an interface that mirrors what you would typically see on your OneDrive account, listing all your files and folders stored in the cloud. There might be instances where specific folders are essential for different projects. For a more streamlined experience, you can pin these folders for quicker access. Simply right-click on the folder and select the option to pin it. This feature is particularly helpful if you frequently switch between projects, saving you time. Accessing your OneDrive files directly from here makes it easy to both view and share files without leaving Teams. Should you need to share a document with your colleagues, simply highlight the file, right-click, and select the copy link option. Share this link directly in any chat or channel within Teams. It's seamless and ensures everyone can access the most up-to-date document versions. In situations where collaboration is key, knowing how to edit documents right from Teams is crucial. Once you've opened a document, you'll typically have the option to edit it in the cloud or open it in the desktop app, depending on your preference and on who else is currently editing the document. Bear in mind that any changes you make will automatically sync to your OneDrive. This means you and your colleagues can always ensure you're working on the latest version of a document, improving collaboration and minimizing errors. And there you have it, accessing and managing your OneDrive files directly from Microsoft Teams. This integration not only simplifies the process of sharing and collaborating on documents but enhances your overall productivity by keeping everything neatly organized in one place. Give it a try and see how it fits into your workflow. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on maximizing your Microsoft Teams experience.